Hello and welcome to a Farley IT video. In today's video we're going to cover scheduling and attending meetings within Microsoft Teams. So for this, first of all things, when you have Teams open is if on the side here you go down to your calendar and then you're presented with a screen such as this as you see currently on mine. So here you can see anything you've scheduled into your Teams calendar, any meetings that you have scheduled throughout the week. Along the top here you can click to move forward dates and back dates. You can change the view, so I've currently got it set to the work week. You can just have it set to the day or the week itself. You can click on the dates here as well to just sort of bring up a more sort of smaller calendar that you can flick through the months quicker rather than doing it week by week or day by day. So if you want to schedule a meeting, very similar to how you would do it in Outlook, is if you find the time slot you want. So say we want to book something for Thursday and we want it about 11 o'clock. Find the time slot you'd like, double click on the box. This will then take you to the scheduling page. So you can add a title, so we'll just call this test, and that'll be the title of it. You can add attendees. If you just want to schedule stuff in for yourself, you don't have to add attendees. But say, for example, if I wanted Liam to attend this meeting, you could search as the Farley directory, and then it'll bring up the best results or any results that match the search criteria. You click on it, they are added. And then just the time here and the date to confirm everything. So this would be tomorrow on the Thursday, 11 o'clock till the same date at 11:30. You can click this to change the amount of time the meeting would be on. Obviously it does it by half hour by default, but you can extend this. It doesn't have to be limited to 30 minutes. You can also just enter in your own custom time as well, or if it's something that would maybe be taken all day, you can just click that slider and it will be marked as an all-day meeting. You can then here, you can set it to be a repeating meeting if you want. So obviously we can have it repeat every weekday, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or a custom. So you can set up reoccurring meetings through here. Channels will let you invite whole channels to a meeting, so it might be easier for this if you have, say, like your own Teams channel for your department and you want everyone in that to attend. You can do that rather than trying to add everyone individually. And then just down here you can fill out sort of any text or information about the meeting should you wish. And then once you're done, if you click send, that will then send the meeting out to everybody. And then if we just give that a moment, you'll see it has loaded it into here. One useful thing to note is if you go into Outlook, so if we just open Outlook, so one thing to note is, as you can see, I've now got my Outlook open. You'll see that it's also included in my Outlook calendar as well. Because they're both by Microsoft, they sync together, and sort of similar, you can also just schedule it from Outlook. So if you clicked on a time slot, you can do Teams meeting, and this would then create it as a Teams meeting within Outlook if you would prefer to do it this way. It's personal preference, they both sort of have the same functionality. So same thing with next thing is joining a meeting. So you can join the Teams meeting through Teams and Outlook. So if you're in Outlook, you would double click on it. We'll just do just this one because it's a recurring one. So what this will do is it'll then open up the meeting, and then you can see it's got the information, and then you would just click here to join the meeting. You can also do it within your Teams calendar, so you can click on it, and then obviously you have these options. You can edit the settings if you're the host, and then you can click join, and that will join you into the meeting. That's everything for that. For anything more on Teams or any of our other software we use, please check out our YouTube channel. We have plenty more videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.